Once again, here's my third light of the night video. I have just now installed the two these lights right here. You'll have to look it up. I'll put the link in the bottom of the $20 thing, and this is the little thing that they sent me along with that, and that's the time. And these bulbs I'm not going to install because they don't put out as much light as these do. Alright, so these are the ones to get. That's the incandescent bulb. Alright, so now let me go to it. Alright, let me turn this off. Alright, so go through it again. That's off. I'm about 35 paces from the wall of this old shopping center, which doesn't have lights on the parking lot. So, and then let me do it like this. Alright, so there's the mileage on the truck. You see the mileage on the truck? Will it focus? I don't even know why I'm doing this. Well, it won't focus, but it says 94,9997. Okay, 94,000 something. Okay, so this is I have a headlight on, so I want to show you that I've got a white. I drilled a hole and I put that one supposedly 50 watt LED in there, and then these are 65 watt, and I don't know what these are, but these are just, you know, your running lights and such. And down here is the newfangled $20 light, okay, like I showed you on the box part number, and it's just got the elements. It's 56 LEDs compacted. Looks like this on this side and that on, you know, that side, best I can show you. All right, as I back away, here is exactly pretty much the same thing on the other side, the same, you know, same running light up in there. Okay, I drilled the hole once again, you know, it's not stock. Alright, and there's that 65 watt and whatever those are for the running lights, or the, you know, that light. And then again, here is the fog light looking like this in my, you know, 2001 Dodge Dakota Quad Cab 4x4. Alright, so that's what it looks like from the front. I'm going to turn my headlight off. We can test the... Alright, there we go. So, and it's about 35 paces, my height. Okay, so here, let's get to it. Alright, I have played with the adjustment on the... Oh yeah, let me show you that real fast before I get to it. I left them out here. These are the old ones I took out. These had these, this one had a different three-sided whatever element in there, and this one had one of these multiple 3014, I think it was, you know, 128 deals, as you saw it in the previous two videos, provided you watch everything. Okay, there we go. That's what I want to show. Now, and I'm not doing this for a free festoon, although, anyway, like little coupon set. Let me turn my headlight off. That's my headlight. All right, headlight off. Okay, and then let's turn on the running lights. So there are the running lights. Okay, a little pan around to show you that. Here are the headlights, LED. I didn't think I showed you that, but that's what they are. And turn that off, and then here are the new yellow fog lights. All right, so now we turn the headlights and fog lights. And we'll turn it to high beam. So high beams, LED, back to low beam. Okay, and then we'll turn it back to just the fog lights. That's pretty well bright enough, I think, to drive with. Here's a little off axis and off axis over here. So again, I'm standing, you know, at the, you know, the driver's door. So if I hold the camera over like this, just over the hood. Anyway, but so that's off. Running lights. Pull on the fog lights. Turn on the headlights with the fog lights. Flip it to high beam. The fog lights go off. Fog lights come back on for regular beam. And then turn the headlights off. Then back to my running light. Well, okay. So that's the fog lights. And that's just what I wanted to show you. Let me take you around and show you what it looks like on the front of the truck, all lit up. Okay, so let's see here. And That's what it looks like up close. Of course, everyone sees that, so I'm just going to walk. Let's see, that's what I want to do. Let me just walk in front of the lights. There we go. So I'm going to stand right in front of the lights, okay, and try to block it. Okay, so step off, try to block it, just one light, and then do the same over here. All right, so, and yeah, I'm blocking it. So now I'm just going to walk out here and let you see what I look like. Just walking, step, 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 step. Yeah, there I is. Okay. I don't know what that is, but that's what that looks like. That's pretty bright, if you ask me. What do you think? This may be the best video. I don't know. So I just walked back. All right, so this is a real view of what these lights really look like. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I enjoyed making it because I'm so sick and tired of seeing lights that light up and nobody ever shows them in a reel like this. And of course I have nothing better to do except make videos like this. Let's see here. Yeah, just how far back can I go? So, there we go. So is that bright enough for you? Having fun? I'm having fun. I gotta go. Let y'all look at this on your own vehicle. Alright? I like these lights. They're the best ones I've found yet. Alright, make it 7 minutes and shut up and good night. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go to bed. Bye bye.